Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to clear the RAM on Mac and free up the memory. So every app that you launch in your Mac actually occupies the RAM. So in order to view which app is being using the maximum RAM, you can launch the activity monitor. And here you can switch to the memory tab, which will display all the applications that are currently running and what is the RAM used. So right now you can see there is a map app, Spotlight, Safari, activity monitor, messages. So all these applications are actually open in my dock. So in order to clear up the RAM, what you can do is you can select the app and then you can just click on this cross button, which will quit that particular app and then free up the RAM. Similarly, if you are on the dock station, you can just go right click on that particular app and then click on quit button and it will close. So this way you can free up the RAM which for the applications that are no longer in use. So you can see the RAM graph has fallen slightly. So if you just go on clearing those applications that are not in use, it will automatically free up your RAM. If there are any background applications that are not appearing or there are any login items, what you can do is you can just go click on this Apple icon here, go to system settings, and within the system settings you can just go and open this login items, and here it will display all the login items applications that are currently. So right now this is a new installation, so you cannot see any applications. However, if you have any applications that you do not use frequently, you can just remove that using this minus sign. And also there are applications which are running in the background, so if you do not want, you can just disable them and it will automatically free up the RAM used by that particular application in the background. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. See you in the next one.